here we go. So we are on what, number 18? Is that right? All right, 18. You're gonna have to rewrite that. So what's your base on number 18? 4 is your base. And what's your power? -2 equals what? X. So what's 4 to the -2 power? Ooh, Irvin, you gotta go to first period now. Nobody's got a calculator? 4 to the -2? How much? I can't hear you. 1/16. Very good. All right, what about number 19? Do they have the same base?
Yes.
So what can you do to these two pieces? They have the same base.
Set them equal.
Set them equal, right? Hope you're getting this. This is a grade. This is your last final grade. And then what can I do?
Subtract 2x on both sides.
Very good, Hunter.
X equals 18.
X equals 18. Very good. Very good, very good. All right, what about number 20? Do you remember what addition meant for logarithms? It means multiplication. Very good. So what can I do to these two right here? You just said it. Multiply them, and what's 7 times x? So you got log base 3 of 7x equals log base 3 of 14. There you go. Now you can set them equal. Bless you. And x equals 2. Alright, 22. All it says to do is write as a single logarithms. Okay, so what do you do with the number? Bless you. What do you do with the number that's in the front? Where does that go? Not in front of the r, but it does do something with the r. What does the 4 become with the r? The exponent. Very good. So this is r to the 4th. What about this 2 right here? There you go. All right, so let's rewrite that. It's log base 5 of y minus log base 5 of r to the 4th plus log base 5 of x to the 2nd. All right, let's look at these two first. Subtraction. What did subtraction mean to do?
Divide.
Very good. So you do log base 5 of y divided by r to the 4th. And then plus log base 5 of x squared. And then what did addition mean to do again? Multiply. So that is log base 5 of y over r to the 4th times x to the 2nd, which would be log base 5 of x to the 2nd y over r to the 4th. You just smush them together. Y'all okay? All right, you can mark out 23 because we didn't do that section of logarithms. All right, but let's look at 24. 24, what do I do with the number in front? Where does it go? Come on, we just did it. Where's the number in front go? As the exponent. Thank you. So log 5 plus log, and then that becomes x squared equals 4. All right, what do I do when I have addition? Multiply. So log 5x squared equals 4. All right, what's your base right here? Do you remember if you don't see a number, what was it understood to be with logs? What's our number system based off of? $10, maybe? So this is a 10. So what's my base? 10 to what power? Yep. equals. Alright, what can I do from there? Nobody? See anything you could do? You certainly could do 10 to the 4th power, and what would you get? How much? 10,000. Very good. Alright, then what could you do? By 5. Very good. So what's 10,000 divided by 5? 2,000. Trying to get x by itself, so how do I get rid of that square? You square root it. What's the square root of 2,000?
44.7.
0.7?
That's right.
Okay. And you can mark out 25 because we're not doing that one. Y'all okay? Alright, so we'll call it a day for that because we're going to do some more of these tomorrow. Let's talk about the rest of this week and next week. You ready? Because next week and then we're done. So tomorrow, you got a quiz on this stuff that we've been working on with the tangent and cotangent and sine and all that good stuff. You got a quiz tomorrow. Monday is a normal day, okay? Monday is a normal day. But Tuesday, I posted this schedule on Google Classroom for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So Tuesday, you're going to say in first period double time on Tuesday, okay? So seniors can take their exam. Then you're going to go to second period, stay in there double time. And then you go to the rest of your classes, but you'll only see them for like 25 minutes or so, 30 minutes at the most. Are y'all okay? Sir? Yes. But for everybody else, it's a normal day. Yes. I believe y'all are y'all going to the auditorium first thing or cafeteria or something like that first thing? Yes. And then y'all put them on and then y'all going to load the buses, right? Okay. Yep. Alright, so page 7 is what we're on today, guys. Here we go. Page 7. Page 7. Alright, so we're going to practice a few problems, and then we'll call it a day. Quiz tomorrow. Seniors, please make sure you're here tomorrow to take your quiz, because that'll be the last thing for you. Unit circle, if you missed that test yesterday, please come to 0 period to make that up, or to another class period to make it up. Alright, here we go. So we are going to look at 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 17, 12. No, that's 10.
Okay.
Yep. Alright, that's what we're going to work on today, is those problems, okay? So that's what your quiz is going to be on tomorrow. And we're going to work on those. When you're finished with those, we will call it a day, okay? Some of us have makeup work to do that we could do once we finish these problems. And then go from there. Alright, what'd y'all get for number 2? 0. Oh, I gotta have my pen so y'all can see this. 0. What'd you get for number 5? Positive 1. Very good. And number 6? No. Pi over 3 is 60 degrees. That should be negative 1/2. Yeah. Make sure you do the pi over 3 and not the pi over 4. What? Yeah, so pi over 3 is your reference angle to get the 1/2. And then 4 pi over 3 is in the third quadrant, which means it's negative. Okay, what about number 8? Did y'all get number 8? That should just be square root of 2, right? Yeah. Those 2's cancel, yeah. Alright, and then number 9, what'd y'all get for number 9?
-1 square root of 3 over 3.
Very good. Negative square root of 3 over 3. Huh? Oh, I did skip 4. Oh my gosh. What did I get for number 4? Over 3, you said? Yeah, that sounds about right. And then what about these last 3? Yep. Number 11? 3 over 3 would be 1. Yeah, 3 over 1? 3 over 1 is 3. Wait. Okay, hold on a minute. Okay, so this is x over y. 30 is square root of 3 over 2 and 1/2. So that should be square root of 3. Yeah. And then last one, number 12. Pi is your reference angle of 180. So what's the cosine? What's the x at 180? -1. There you go. All right, check your answers. Guys, don't just copy them. Make sure you know how to get the answers.
So if it's square root of 3,
Square root of 3. Yep. Make sure you know how to get your answers, okay? If you know how to get all of them, you're good to go. If you don't know how to get all of them, please make sure you do, because seniors, your last thing is tomorrow. Juniors, your last thing is Wednesday, and then we'll review for finals, and then we'll be finished.
I think I got it.